talk about the role of Christians in transforming the social, economic, and political life of the society. The role of Christians in transforming the social, economic, and political life of the society. So in basic terms, how can you change the society? And we start with this, how can you change the social life? How you relate to the other people. Social life is how you relate to one another. So Christians' participation in social life. So how do you participate in the social life as a Christian? So number one, by preaching the gospel. Showing concern for the destitute. For example, you building homes for the destitute, or you provide food for them. Here we're talking in basic terms, it's just providing for the needy. That's how you can participate in the social life of the society. Offering medical services. You see, when in churches they bring the medical personnel, yes, and you have an eye checkup, and just before they come and announce in the previous, let's say if there was a muscle, there was a service, the way you go to service, you are told next Saturday, some, especially here in the local churches, you announce in a particular church the medical personnel will come, yes, for free. There is a free eye clinic, there is a free what, diabetes what, clinic. That's how you can participate. Also providing learning institutions, and we talked about it, for example, schools and universities. Providing counseling services. And remember, these counseling services are good, especially to rehabilitate criminals, so that they can fit in the society. Yes. Also offering vocational training. You get into a particular vocation. Also by caring for refugees and those who are displaced, caring for the refugees. How can Christians participate in the economic life of the society? So, Christians' participation in the economic life of the society. So, what are Christians supposed to do? Number one, contributing funds for construction of churches, schools. So as a Christian, you can participate by contributing funds for construction of churches, schools, hospitals. Investing in various businesses, because if you invest in various businesses, you know, as you're paying taxes in your business, you're helping your community, because they're going to get the government facilities. So in investing in various businesses, and also you remember you'll offer employment to the people you're going to employ. Providing financial resources. When you talk about you as a Christian providing financial resources, we are talking about, for example, you give funds in order for people to start their own self-employment. Also, guiding people on positive attitude towards work. You guide people on positive attitude towards work. That's why I keep on telling people, go work. As long as the job that you're doing is morally right, and it's a job that you can do as a Christian and go to church and face people, do it. Because when you receive the money, it is not written you are doing this particular job, yes? So work. And those jobs you think they are very, as in, you cannot do them because they are dirty. They're the ones which are making people a lot of money, yes? A lot of money. Also, preaching against tax evasion. Preaching against tax evasion. Discouraging businesses that use faulty scales and hike prices. You discourage businesses that use faulty scales and hike prices. Then we go to how, as a Christian, you can participate in the political life of the community. So Christians' participation in the political life of the community or the society. Number one, by advocating for fair distribution of wealth. That all the resources all the resources should be distributed equally, or all the resources available. So you advocate for fair distribution of wealth. You can also participate by offering prayers during government functions. By voting, that is exercising the right to vote. When you vote, you're contributing to the what? To the political life of the community. Because you're ensuring that they are choosing the right leaders. And then speaking against social evils. That is, you're speaking against bribery, corruption, or any violation of the Constitution. That is, you speak out against social evils. So that's the end on